These restoration videos get millions of views. Here's exactly how you can make them. First, open ChatGPT and go to the GPT store. Search for a model called Restoration Time-lapse. It asks what you want to restore, anything, a water park, a plane, an abandoned building. It instantly generates ready-to-use image and video prompts, then copy the prompt and go to NimDot video, paste it in, select Nano Banana Pro, choose the right aspect ratio, and hit create. Within minutes, we can get cinematic restoration visuals, then switch to video mode, upload the image, paste the same prompt again, and now it turns into a full time-lapse transformation. No editing, no advanced skills, just prompts. Comment AI and I'll share the exact setup.